Hello, this is the new Automated Academic Achievement Report tutorial. So the first thing you do when you open up your file for the first time is to do File and make a copy. So once you make a copy, it will say up on top here, Copy of Automated Academic Report, and you can rename it by just clicking on it and typing in the new name. The reason why you want to do that is because the original is your master copy, so you just want to take from there. There's the section here where you can put in the logo of your district, and this gives a tutorial about how to do that. And on the right, we have a place for you to put in the address for your district as well. On the top left is a button that controls all of the cells and all of the data. So whatever change you make, so for example, changing the font, things like that, it's going to apply to the entire document. You can also use it to unhighlight everything. So you can click on fill color and go on the white version. It doesn't show on here, but that's typically what you would see. So right here, that will be filled in from drop downs. So this is the place for you to put in the demographic information. Very important, on cell D8, you would put in the first name of the student. So we could just do John. And if you go into this one, this is where the last name will go. So make sure that you don't change or delete these, because then it's going to mess up with the formulas. If you want to make sure that this fits, you can either make the font smaller, or you can unmerge this and then take the last name from there and then merge here, so that way it fits. And to undo something, right here is the undo button, and you can press it and it remembers all of the changes you made. So it's no problem if you make a mistake. Right here, you can put in the grade. So we can say that John is in 7th grade, the birthday, and let's do 2007. And then chronologically, it changes, the chronicle age. Then we have the student ID you can put in, the examiner name. We can put in the gender as well, double click on these. Ethnicity, home language, language classification, and here you can put in the drop-down menu for school. So if there's multiple schools that you work at, you can actually make a menu like what I've shown here, and this gives you instructions about how to do that. Then the date of the report. This is the reason for referral. So most of the time it's because of a triennial, or the student was referred by the IEP team. You can click in these boxes for the areas of concern and the academic achievement and health and intellectual development. Those are the evaluation areas. Once you're finished with that, you just click here on the minus sign and that disappears, and this is written up for you. Next, you put in your test administered. So we could say, oh, we are going to test with the Wyatt. I did the Wyatt 4 as well, and the date that you did it. And you can just go use multiple ones. If you don't want to use these, you can use the hide function. So you click these together, you highlight them, click and hold, right click, and then hide row.